I wanted to share with you a very compact tree tapping kit I made. The reason for making this kit is to extract sap from birch trees. You can make wine or syrup from this sap, and it's a pretty good water source if you find yourself in a survival situation. It's something I wanted to try for a while, and you can only tap trees in the spring. We don't have sugar maples here because our climate is too cold, and birch is the only other option. I wanted a simple compact kit without hauling around a cordless drill or even a hand drill if possible. I looked through my scrap metal bin and found some 1/2-inch OD steel tubing. I cut it about 4 inches long, tapered one end, and filed a notch so I can hang a container. I found a 1/2-inch auger bit to make the hole in the tree and a T-handle from a tap and die set to turn the bit. I wanted to unscrew the T-handle to make it more compact, but it wouldn't come apart. It does take a bit of elbow grease to drill the 2-inch deep hole, but it's still better than carrying around a cordless drill. I made a 1/2-inch oak dowel to plug the hole when I'm finished so I don't damage the tree. I decided to make a folding pouch from some canvas I got from my dad back in 2010. I stitched some of it and glued the rest. I used my wood burning kit to decorate some of the leather and some deer antler I found to close the pouch. I also melted beeswax into the canvas to waterproof it. Well, I want to see if this kit's actually going to work. So I'm just getting all packed up. I'm going to be leaving soon. Well, here's that birch tree I was talking about. It's probably 20 inches in diameter. One of the biggest birch trees I've seen around here. So let's get out my tree tapping kit. See what happens. I also have my directions. I'm only going to be using this kit probably once a year. So by next year I'll probably forget everything. Birch wood is a little bit more difficult than that wood I tried at home. Actually, this is working pretty good once you get it started. So basically, 2 inches is about the end of the auger there. Well, I have the hole drilled and cleaned out. There's nothing coming out yet. It might be too early in the day or too early in the season. I will build a tool, some long metal thing for cleaning out the hole just to make it easier. So this is called the spile. Goes in the hole with the notch up. I also made the hole slightly at an angle to help the sap flow out. I don't want to bang this in too hard because I won't be able to get it out, but I just want to lightly tap it. Well, there is a very slow drip happening. I think it's just too early in the day. I'm going to come back in a few hours. This has been sitting for a couple hours now. There isn't a lot of liquid in the container, so I think it's just too early in the year. But at least I know this kit works, and if I have time I'll come back and try this again. And until then, I'm going to plug this hole. Well, I just got back from my hike and found a couple of flaws with my kit. This is my container for collecting the sap, of course. I'm going to add a pair of pliers. Sometimes that drill bit wanted to get stuck in the hole. An extra dowel to tap multiple trees. A pick for cleaning out the hole. And I will be going back in 2 more weeks if I can to retap that tree. I want to try to get some more sap. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.